What's up guys, Sean here. So yesterday I made a video about OBS, which is a recording software. And in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the highest recording quality out of OBS. So to do that, first we'll open up the settings. So there's not much to do in general. And so we'll just change the theme to dark, and if you have put the light theme, then change it to dark, because if you put it in light theme, you're not a normal human. So we don't have much to do in stream. And then next we'll go to the output. So we are not going to be streaming, so we're going to only be focusing on recording. So we'll click recording, and then I've kept the type as, so it's a little grayed out here because I'm currently recording. So I have kept the type to standard, and then I've set the path. So I would recommend that you guys keep your recording format to MP4. And in the encoder place, keep it to the latest version, because that just, for example, if you're playing a game and you're recording, so if you change the encoder, it'll be much easier for your machine to screen record. And of course you lose some FPS while playing the game, but then overall it'll be a good quality recording. And then the rescale output, we're not going to focus on it much. And when you come more down, in the target usage, we'll keep it to balanced. And in the profile, I've kept it at high. And the keyframe interval, keep it at 2. Do not keep it at 0. And then I've kept this at 4. And then the rate control, you have to keep it at CBR. And then we'll change so if you have kept it to the less bit rate, you can increase it to 16,000 kilobytes per second. And that's you actually needed while you're recording 1080p 60 frames per second video. And then B frames, I've kept it at 3. And then that's all in output. And then we're not going to be focusing much on audio now. I've only set up one audio. And if you guys want me to make a separate video about audio, you can just tell down in the comments. And then next we'll go to video. And then we'll keep the base canvas resolution to 1920 into 1080. And then if you want to scale your resolution, you can reduce. I've kept it at 1280 into 720. And then the downscale filter, we keep it at Langsource, which will offer much more better quality. And then this one you can keep it at common FPS value, and we'll keep it at 60. And then in the hotkeys section, you can do as you like. I don't use it that much. It just makes using OBS much easier. And then we'll go to advanced. So in the general, you'll see process priority. So I have kept it at normal. And usually if you see some error in OBS telling that or if OBS is not functioning properly, you can keep it to above normal. So in this, when you keep it above normal, your computer will offer some of the CPU to OBS, dedicated to OBS, so it'll be much smoother experience. And then you can keep it like that. You can keep it at normal also, but then if sometimes you get an error, you can keep it at normal. And then when we come down to video, we'll keep our renderer to Direct 3D 11. And then the color format, we'll keep it at NV12. The color space, we'll keep it at 709. And the color range, usually when I started it, it was kept at partial. So we'll change it to full. And I think that's all. And then that's all for today's video, guys. Please like if you like this video. And if you didn't like, you can dislike. And tell me if you have any questions, you can tell me down in the comments. Or if you want me to cover any tech topic, you can also tell down in the comments. And please like, share and subscribe. This is Sean signing off.